Every urban construction project cannot do without a solid foundation. See how the vibrating pile driver can quickly fix the steel sheet piles. Autonomous pile clamping, positioning, piling. 8-meter piles only take 1 minute. A high-frequency vibration penetrates the soil. Pile up to 24 meters long, steady, and fast. Whether it is a skyscraper or a road, bridge, vibrating pile drivers can efficiently complete the foundation reinforcement task. Compared with traditional methods, increase construction efficiency by 50%, save time and cost, convenient construction, strong stability. It has become the preferred equipment for urban infrastructure piling projects.